Okay, today we're going to be looking at the JCR engine cover for the 2.7 liter V6. Pretty quick and easy install, guys.
You'll notice I had to move the catch can bracket down to that socket so I could put the bracket for the engine cover up here where that was, next to all those little control things. It sits about flush, so I'm hoping it'll work with that on there. We'll see here in just a moment. Yeah, I just moved that. Just moved this from up there to down here, which lowered this down quite significantly. So hopefully they'll resolve it. More to come. We'll just have to see how accessible that is with the engine cover on top. Worst case scenario, you may have to remove the engine cover to check it. I just checked. I just had an oil change, and it had like a little bit of oil in it. Sorry for the wind. You can see number bracket number 2 goes right there, right next to that other hose. Goes the catch can. So it's right there. And it's the one that has the slant out at the bottom. Notice the 2.7 cutouts on these. Remember the shiny end goes up top. Both of these. That's up against that. I just got to put the third one over there, and we should be ready to bolt that thing on. All right, so the third and final bracket. It's right here. You'll see the dipsticks right here. Right there's that. So we got, 1, 2, 3. Should be ready to roll. We're going to put this thing on, see how it works. All right, so we're here at Badlands, getting real dirty today. Day after I put this in, notice the stark contrast in the engine cover and the engine bay and the rest of the vehicle. As I said before, can't get into there with that catch can. It's a little bit more of a squeeze. It's arm in there unless you got like big ham hocks. So I want to show this off to you guys.
A relatively quick and easy install that adds to the appearance of your engine bay. You know, some may not see value in it, but I sure do, and I'm sure a lot of people will as well. So I do highly recommend this. I hope you guys like. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Help us beat that YouTube algorithm, help the channel grow, and more content to come.